Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. We're coming at you tonight with a very hot 2013 Bowman football box break. This is the random for it. We have my buddy Glenn who's got 10 spots in this break. Gonna randomize it 6 times. Good luck everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You guys might hear Glenn's name a lot. We're going to try to spread the love and the mojo for everyone. And I'm going to read off the teams for everyone. Probably easier not to say Glenn, but alright guys, here are your teams. Arizona Cardinals, Glenn. Atlanta Falcons, Leland. Baltimore Ravens, Kenny. Buffalo Bills, Leland. Carolina Panthers, Glenn. Chicago Bears, Kenny. Cincinnati Bengals, Glenn. Cleveland Browns, Glenn. Dallas Cowboys, Glenn. Denver Broncos, Glenn. Detroit Lions, Will. Green Bay Packers, Nathan P. Houston Texans, Nathan P. Indianapolis Colts, Glenn. Jacksonville Jaguars, Glenn. Kansas City Chiefs, Glenn. Miami Dolphins, Leland. Minnesota Vikings, Glenn. New England Patriots, Leland. New Orleans Saints, Glenn. New York Giants, Glenn. New York Jets, Glenn. Oakland Raiders, Will H. Philadelphia Eagles, Stephen L. Pittsburgh Steelers, Glenn. San Diego Chargers, Glenn. San Francisco 49ers, Glenn. Seattle Seahawks, Glenn. St. Louis Rams, Glenn. Tampa Bay Buccaneers, Glenn. Tennessee Titans, Stephen L. And Washington Redskins, Glenn.